Good morning, guys. It is currently -9 and we had a big ass dump of snow a few days ago. It happened overnight on Sunday, and on Monday morning it was still going down hard, and there was a lot of chaos. Traffic in the ditches, 500 crashes in the city of Calgary. I saw a school bus in the ditch, like it was a bunch of pandemonium. You couldn't see it. Funny. So here's my 2006 Nissan X-Trail, and let's do a cold start. See how she goes. Alright. Yeah, the first thing you guys are gonna notice, why is this thing in the middle? Well, yeah, I get it, it's weird, but really, oh my god, stupid lanyard. It really gives for driver air, because right here is driver air. Driver air. Alright, let's start her up. There you go. She's starting up. I'm getting the defrosters going. There you go. Now we just wait for her to defrost and then I can go. Have a great rest of your day, guys.